Beautiful views. Of course, in Denia itself, you have the castle, the Castile, which a lot of people do visit, and obviously there's plenty of shops, retail shopping in Denia. Yeah, at the moment, people that don't know, I'm actually in a wheelchair at the moment. I have a severe back problem with scoliosis, and unfortunately I've had to get a wheelchair. Today I'm with a friend, Magdalena, and she is pushing me around the marina, but I'm booked in for surgery at the end of next month, February. It's a leap year this year, if people don't know, and I'm booked in on the 29th of February for back surgery. So I'm going to be out of action for a number of weeks, but hopefully I can record enough videos between now and then to keep everyone going and keep watching the channel, keep supporting me like you have done for a number of years now, which I really do appreciate. So, you know, anyone that hasn't subscribed to the channel, it costs nothing, so please go ahead and subscribe, because it makes a big difference. And also ring the notifications bell as well, because that makes a difference as well, because you get notified when there's a new video coming out. So if I did one not on a Wednesday, for argument's sake, and did it on a Saturday, they would let you know, YouTube would let you know. So the notifications bell is quite important. But yeah, so I'm in a wheelchair. I'll turn the camera around and let you see what's going on. So here I am being pushed by Magdalena. That's Magdalena.
Hello.
So she is taking it very steady, and we're on a very flat surface, which is just as well, because I'm 13.5 stone, and I'm sure she doesn't want to be pushing me up any hills at the moment. So I think it's best that we're on a flat surface, which is good news. But yeah, so I'm stuck in the chair, unfortunately. There's not a great deal that I can do about that for the time being, because I can't walk. I can get out of the chair and obviously move around a bit, but I can't really walk any distance at all, because the pain is very, very severe. But anyway, you don't want to listen to all that. Let's go back to the video. Let's go back to looking around Denia Marina, and I'm sure you'll enjoy that far better than seeing my ugly face. Yeah, all these boats, there's millions of pounds worth, millions of euros worth of boats here, and there don't seem to be anything sort of going on at all. You know, no one seems to be using their boats, but I'm sure they do, but I'm sure they want to have better weather as well, because it's 13 degrees today. You can see the sky. It's not too bad. We have got some blue, so it's better than no blue, of course. And so yeah, I mean, it's a summer thing, I think, more than a winter thing, boating, and I'm sure they thoroughly enjoy themselves when the summer comes around. So here in the distance, I've got it on zoom for you. This is the castle, the Castile, and if you've not been, it's not expensive to get in. Pensionistas get discounts, so obviously there's a little bit of money to be saved there, and there's plenty up there to look at. They've got lots of artifacts up there that you can look at. Some of it has been renovated. I'm not sure about the renovation. I'm not sure it fits, but obviously they have to renovate it, otherwise it'll fall apart. But it's been there for an awful long time, and of course you've got the sea all around us, which is nice, and yeah, it's a nice location. It really is a lovely location. So this is where the boats have come from. You know, they go in and out of here to the Balearics. The sea is just so calm today. As I say, I think it's because there's no wind, and that makes a hell of a difference when there's no wind. We've had some terrible winds over the last week, but now everything is calm. and it's so much easier, because if it was windy today and walking around, it would be a nightmare. So
No.
so we're going up the ramp now.
It's a different exercise. It's so strong.
So this is the most exercise that Magdalena's done ever,
Oh, yeah.
apart from she walks every day. But apart from that, this is physical exercise that she's doing, pushing me up this ramp. She's doing well. Helen does well for me as well when she pushes me. So thank goodness for both the ladies in my life at the moment. Excellent, well done. And the mountains look fantastic, look. The Montgo. Very, very good. And we've got the sea right next to us. So calm today, isn't it, Magdalena? Yeah, it's very, very calm, isn't it?
Yeah. Very calm and beautiful colors today.
Yeah, totally different.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is. I'm glad we've come down.